We are right now, right here at the much awaited event of the year, Asia's largest FMCG Contract Manufacturing and Private Label Expo 2023. A warm welcome to each and every one of you to one and only CMPL 2023.
Each passing year, this has got bigger and better actually, with covering the entire spectrum of FMCG food and non-food categories.
I think just the ability to network and connect with people is something that I found exciting. I think these sort of innovations which are coming from surprisingly the, so to say, smaller SME quarters is again quite impressive. And I thought surely the energy which everybody has around this place is phenomenal for me.
From our experience, this is a very good opportunity and good experience. As a national promotion agency, we will invite and we will extend the invitation and also the information to Malaysian companies to participate in future for the CMPL.
All these industry giants to be present under one roof, it doesn't happen very often. So if you are looking to work out, this is the place to be.
So I have had a blast here, and I think all you guys should come next year and experience the magic that happens at CMPL here. If I have to describe CMPL in one word, I would say mysterious. It has so much of mystery. There's so much to look and find out from this.